KERNELBASE.crash Complete Fix Guide. Ter 1. Verify game files. Open Steam, Library, right-click the affected game, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Wait for the verification to finish completely, then restart Steam and launch the game. 2. Clear DirectX shader cache. Open Windows Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files. Select DirectX shader cache and remove it. Restart your PC before testing the game again. 3. Update GPU drivers. Install the latest stable NVIDIA or AMD graphics driver. Restart Windows after the installation and test the game again. 4. Roll back the GPU driver. If the KERNELBASE.dll crash started immediately after a GPU driver update, install the previous stable driver version. Avoid switching drivers repeatedly. Test one stable version at a time. 5. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam, Library, right-click the game, Properties. Go to General and disable Steam overlay. Launch the game again and check whether the crash returns. 6. Disable other overlays. Temporarily disable Discord overlay, NVIDIA app overlay, AMD overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner Rivatuner overlay, recording software overlays. These can sometimes conflict with Unreal Engine games. 7. Repair Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run SFV scanow. Wait until the scan reaches 100%. Restart your PC afterward. 8. Run dism repair. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run desm online, cleanup image, /restore health. After the process finishes, restart Windows and test the game. 9. Reset GPU settings. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD software. Restore the affected game's graphics profile to default settings. Avoid forced custom settings while troubleshooting the crash. 10. Remove GPU overclocking. If you are using GPU overclocking or undervolting, return the GPU to stock settings. Also temporarily remove CPU or RAM overclocking while testing. 11. Lower UE5 graphics settings. Reduce demanding settings such as textures, shadows, effects, view distance, lumen, global illumination. Also set a stable FPS limit instead of unlimited FPS. 12. Disable full screen optimizations. Find the game's executable file. Right-click Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Apply. 13. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game's executable, Properties, Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply OK and launch the game again. 14. Check Windows updates. Open Windows Settings, Windows Update. Install available Windows updates and restart your PC. Avoid testing the game while Windows is waiting for a restart. 15. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications such as web browsers, recording software, RGB utilities, hardware monitoring tools, third-party performance managers. Then test the game with a clean background environment. 16. Check available storage. Make sure that the Windows drive and the game installation drive have sufficient free space. Low storage can cause problems with shader compilation, temporary files, and game updates. 17. Reset game configuration. If the crash started after changing graphics settings, reset the game's configuration to default. This can help when a corrupted or incompatible UE5 configuration is causing the crash. 18. Reinstall the game. If the KERNELBASE.dll crash continues after all other troubleshooting steps, uninstall and reinstall the affected game. After reinstalling, launch it with default graphics settings first and test before applying custom settings. Final check. After completing the fixes, restart your PC and launch the game without overlays, overclocking, or custom GPU profiles. If the crash continues, check the game's crash logs event viewer to identify whether the problem is related to the game, Windows, GPU driver, or another component.